How to block senders in AOL Mail. If you've been constantly receiving emails from a particular sender and you want to completely block them, let me show you how it is done. The first thing here, what you'll need to do is open up the email that you're trying to block. So just the incoming email that you received. And then right here on the top, you'll have the option called More. And then you'll see the option called Block Sender. There are a few options that you can choose, such as you want to block the email, block all future emails, and delete all existing emails as well. So you can select the options that you need and then click on OK. This way the email address will be instantly blocked and will be removed to the spam folder. Now if you want to revert this and unblock the person that you just blocked, you can head over to the settings option, head over to more settings, and then head over to security and privacy. Under security and privacy and under blocked addresses, you will be able to view all of the people or email addresses that you blocked. You can also see the option called add here as well, so that you can manually type in any email that you're trying to block. So type in the email right here, click on save, and that email will also be blocked off. So that was a short video on the way that you can block senders inside of AOL Mail. If this guide video did help you out, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also check out other videos on this channel and also make sure to hit that notification bell. That's pretty much all for today's video. I'm gonna see you in the next one.